Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preheating to 175 degrees C and prepping a lined 12-cup tin. This ensures even oven spring. Combine dry ingredients: 250 g flour, 150 g sugar, 2 tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp salt, and whisk to aerate. Aeration replaces cocoa's texture contribution. Next, whisk 2 eggs with 120 ml milk, 80 ml neutral oil, and 1 tsp vanilla. Once the wet is smooth, fold in 50 g melted dark chocolate or 3 tablespoon carob powder as your cocoa alternative. This adds flavor without cocoa powder. Once dry and wet are combined, you must fold gently to avoid gluten development. Mix until only small streaks of flour remain because overmixing causes toughness. Make sure to fold in 100 g mix-ins, chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or berries to replace cocoa's richness and add interest. If using alternatives like espresso or molasses, integrate now for balanced flavor. Transfer batter to the tin, filling cups to 2/3. This ratio guarantees a dome top and prevents spillover. You bake the muffins 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs but no raw batter. This timing preserves tenderness while finishing structure. Make sure to cool them 10 minutes in the pan so they set, then transfer to a rack. Glazing or a dusting of powdered sugar adds shine and compensates for missing cocoa depth. If muffins are dense, check your baking powder age and recall that overmixing or heavy batter causes compact crumb. Adjust and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.